How to delete a page in Google Docs. So basically, if you would like to delete a page in Google Docs, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to simply open up your browser. Once you go to your Google Docs website and open a spreadsheet, you have two pages, out of which I would like to delete the bottom one. Now, even if I right click on it, you can see there is no delete button or whatever else, right? So this delete option is not for the page, by the way. So if I want to get rid of this page, I will select all the contents inside this page and just hit the backspace button and just keep on hitting backspace button. So when you come to the other page, you have to hit backspace, the another page will be automatically deleted. So when there is no any content on the page, then the page will get automatically deleted. So I hope this video pretty much helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.